The Mineral Systems Drilling Programme was conceived as being a world-first collaboration between industry, government and research organisations, with the aim of developing new technologies that could be utilised to make major steps forward in the science and practice of mineral exploration.
The Mineral Systems Drilling Programme is a unique collaborative effort involving 14 drill holes in the Southern Gawler Craton and 8,000 metres of drilling.
The Mineral Systems Drilling Programme here in South Australia provides the perfect platform for testing new technologies that in the future will be used in an integrated platform and be commonplace every day.
The DET-CSC is bringing the next generation technology to South Australia. All exploration around the world will be doing what the DET-CSC is now investigating. It is a unique collaboration between industry, service providers and the university. It's probably never really happened before.
This innovative South Australian initiative has brought together a number of leading players in the industry. New cutting-edge technologies like lab-at-rig, wireless sub and autosond were combined with new capabilities in data transfer, allowing real-time visualisation from a remote drill site across the country.
The benefits for the Bort long-ear drillers in programs like this is it gives them access to new technology.
IMDEX was able to deploy a range of technologies, our own technologies and technologies that we developed within the DET-CRC.
So the Mineral Systems Drilling Program has been a wonderful opportunity for CSIRO to showcase the lab-at-rig technology that it's developed with its collaborators through the DET-CRC.
Having data quickly that allows you to optimise your exploration drill holes is critical. The most expensive thing we often do is drill holes, so if we can get the maximum amount of information quickly and then drill that hole effectively, that can only be a good thing.
We tested both the wireless sub and the autonomous sonde, both logged over 8,000 metres, and we were able to get some critical data over there for the further development of both of those tools.
Autosond is a step change from conventional wire log system with a significant improvement in the time and productivity.
To date, drilling is very much an art form. It's an intuitive art form that's quite difficult for people to master. Anglo-American Exploration has a number of drilling programs around the world, and we see the wireless sub as being a game changer for the industry.
Real-time exploration is one of those great breakthrough technologies that's going to change the way we know mining and exploration forever.
Geologists dream to have geochemistry and mineralogy on hand while we're looking at the rocks, while we're logging the core. This gives us the ability to make decisions during the drill program that would normally take us weeks or months.
That's the future of drilling, and the future is now.
The Mineral Systems Drilling Programme has resulted in an unprecedented level of cooperation between the various parties.
Collaboration between government and non-government is vital. But with any CRC or the Mineral Drilling Systems Program, you need the government to collaborate with the service sector, the mining industry, and of course academia to get the good results.
Groups like the DET-CRC and the South Australian government are able to pull together different groups and contributors where they can pool funding.
We're using a small amount of money to leverage quite a large amount of private sector investment in this Mineral Drilling Systems Program, which really yields a lot of results for not only for the private sector, but of course for our geological data as well.
Our experience in applying to the government for support was very positive. I guess we were fortunate in that our work to date had created the framework for a regional mineral system drilling approach.
The reason the Mineral Systems Drilling Program is so valuable to Kingston is it combines the resources of government, the knowledge of world-class researchers, cutting-edge technologies, and the nimbleness of a focused mineral exploration company to bring a truly multidisciplinary approach to the challenge of exploring undercover.
Having the researchers embedded with the drillers and exploration field teams proved unique and highly effective. On-site engagement enabled all participants to recognise and understand each other's perspective and work towards developing practical solutions.
The collaborative drilling programs allow us to have access to researchers and other institutions that we wouldn't normally have access to.
What we're doing in the DET-CRC is an absolutely fantastic example of working really closely with industry and with the ultimate end users in terms of the service suppliers, the drilling companies that actually have to make use of the technologies that we develop and use them on a day-to-day basis.
The opportunity to field trial this technology in a real live environment has been an absolutely fabulous opportunity for CSIRO and the CRC.
And the MSDP is a great showcase to demonstrate what we're able to do with those technologies and learn from it as well.
New prototypes for the various tools and technologies were introduced and tested in real drill holes during an actual exploration drilling campaign. This enabled ongoing improvements to be designed, fabricated and deployed to technologies in a fraction of the time that would normally be required in a conventional test facility, thus accelerating the time to bring these into commercialisation.
It's actually very important that we get the feedback from the guys on the levers. The drilling community is a very tight-knit community, so word travels very quickly, and it creates an excitement out in the industry when the new technology is being developed and people are excited to see it come out when it's actually developed and commercialised.
This isn't just some academic exercise to understand our geology. We're actually trying to commercialise every hole we drill. We want to understand our geology and how that affects and reacts with the private sector.
Deploying technologies in real time to a drilling program with industry where the results matter is a great example of what you can achieve if you work together in these kind of practical environments. And that in itself is a highlight for us.
So while we're unlocking our geological database, we're assisting junior explorers with this new technology to unlock what quite frankly could be game changers for them and turn from explorers into developers.
The Mineral Systems Drilling Programme has uncovered new mineral systems in the Southern Gawler Craton, has uncovered the new technologies that we need to explore covered provinces like the Gawler Craton, and has built collaboration between research organisations, industry and government.